In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel and Google Sheets into existing Airtable tables. This process is incredibly useful when you want to consolidate data from different sources or simply update your Airtable base with the most recent information. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open up your Airtable base. If you're not already there, head over to Airtable and log into your account. Navigate to the base where you'd like to import your data. It's essential to have a clear idea of which table you want to update because we're going to import data directly into an existing table. Once you're in the correct base, look towards the top of your screen for the option that says Add or Import. This is usually found in the toolbar. Click on it and you'll be presented with a variety of options. Since you're looking to import data from either Excel or Google Sheets, you might not see these options immediately. Don't worry though. Simply click on 26 More Sources to reveal additional import options. Now, you'll see a list of possible sources from which you can import data. Look for Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets in this list. Clicking on either option will bring you to the next step. Remember, it's important to know exactly which file you want to import, so make sure you have it ready on your device. Once you've selected either Excel or Google Sheets, you'll be prompted to add your file. You have two choices here. You can either drag and drop your file into the designated area, or click on the Browse option to locate your file manually. If you're using Google Sheets, you might need to grant permission for Airtable to access your Google account, so be prepared for that step. After you've selected your file, Airtable will take a moment to process the data. During this time, it's organizing the information to fit into your existing table structure. This is the point where you can review the data and make sure everything aligns as expected. Take a moment to check things like column headers and data formatting. If everything looks good, you can proceed with the import. And that's it! You've successfully imported data from Excel or Google Sheets into your existing Airtable table. This method is a great way to keep your Airtable base up to date with minimal effort. Remember, you can always repeat these steps if you have more data to import or if you want to refresh the information at a later date. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing with Airtable!